What's up, fam? This is Vic from Quick Cuts Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. We finally got our leaf loader and box finish. Check it out. So, fam, thanks for joining the channel. For those people who have not subscribed yet, just want to let you know that I am a small business owner, revenue about $300,000 in a year, trying to take my business to $1 million in the next couple of years. So right now I am showing you my box leaf loader, and I'm just going to tell you a little specs about it, what we did and what we have on it and what we put all in this, so you know the price if you're trying to put one together yourself. So first thing first, I got a 7x14 JP trailer. So if you know anything about a JP trailer, basically it's a dump trailer, goes way up in the air, able to get that debris to fall right out of it. And I really enjoy it because at this point in time, this is what I need in order to keep my trucks moving during the fall. We haven't done a whole lot of leaf cleanups because we've been spending a lot of time building this thing. And let me tell you something, to build it and you don't know what you're doing from scratch, it's gonna take some time. It took Darian some time to build it, and he's definitely gonna tell you what he did in order to put it together. So let's see what he got to say.
Hey Lawn Care family, this is Darian, and I'm about to tell you what we did in order to put this here dump trailer together. All right, what we're working with here is a PJ trailer 7x14. All right, of course, because we're dealing with the outdoors, I use pressure treated wood. And for my wall right here, the 3-foot wall, it was a 15 by 12 boards going up. And we have a 4x8 sheet of wood right there, in which to take the walls all the way up. So I guess what's that, about a 7-foot tall wall. All right, my back panel wall is hinged at the top so that whenever the dump trailer dumps, that will automatically open up for us and everything will slide on out. As you see, I have me a cutout right here for my chute so that we can be able to keep as much debris from coming back out at us, because it can make a real big foggy mess for you, mess with your breathing. Now I want to open it up for you so you can see what's on the inside. All right, what you saw on the inside, you can see my side wall. You can see the sheets of wood going up, the 4x8s, and because it's not painted, so it's a little bit more clear. You can see where I bolted it in to make it solid. Also, going at the top, I have 2x4s going across the top to tie both ends together so that all the all the 4 walls are solid, held together. And then going across the top, I have a heavy meal, water resistant, supposed to be rot resistant tarp going across so that we'll keep all the dust from flying out from all the pressure that this right here leaf back will put out.
So fam, if you want to know more about the PJ dump trailer, please check out my other video on the channel. I go into more details on it. But just so you know, the price of that this dump trailer is almost $9 grand, you know, roughly for what it takes. $9 grand to get a dump trailer like this. This not including the wall, all right? Also gonna share with you real quick what we got on the back of this thing. We got a monster of a debris loader. All right, so the debris loader is by Billy Goat. So this bad boy is a Vanguard, and it has 37 horsepower on this bad boy. The tube on this mug is, I believe, it's like 10. It's definitely huge. Put your head in there and suck it up. The leaf loader. So tell you what, exactly how much I paid for it. I paid a little over $7,500 for this. Now, if you're in the Conyers area, the way I had to order this, I went to the Ace Hardware off of Dogwood, and pretty much they put it together for me and everything. That mug cranked up when I got it and everything. So you want to check them out. The price was really affordable, and they really looked out for me because they pretty much gave it to me for what was online. As a matter of fact, I believe it was cheaper buying it through them. They saved me a few $100s, and they put the thing together. So fam, as you can see, it's not a lot of leaves in there, you know, not a lot at all. Matter of fact, we did like 2 big cleanups and a small cleanup. And out of all of it, it took us about, I would say, 4 hours. So that's 4 hours worth of debris that's in there. And it's barely at the top of the door. So we're able to put a lot of debris in here. And the reason why I got this thing is because every time someone asked me to do a leaf cleanup, I knew that in order to get the leaves, because most of them want them sucked up and hauled away, the price was hard because I knew that I had to take the leaves all the way to DeKalb County dump. And that's like 50 minutes there and then another 50 minutes back. So that's time in itself. So I knew I couldn't be hauling stuff over there every time I suck somebody's stuff up. So this is the reason why I got it, because now, like I said, I done did 3 jobs. It's sitting in there and it's good to go. It's good to go. I still got mad room to do a whole lot more jobs. So that's one of the reasons why I got it. And the last reason why I got it is because it's a tax write-off. I had to spend that money that I made this year on something. So I knew that I was gonna start off by spending on this debris loader, building the box and everything. Now, you may or may not know this, but I heard they're doing another PPP loan. And if you know anything about the PPP loan, that's the loan that due to Corona, they're gonna give you a loan, and you should be able to get it for free and basically loan forgiveness. So if they putting out another one, I am definitely gonna take advantage of another loan. So that's another thing. It's important that you understand being legit. There are some benefits in being legit and showing people because you gotta have your tax information. If you can't show that you spent the money on workers, you can't get the PPP loan. I had to still spend the money on my workers basically. But what it does is it gives me the advantage of when to spend the money and how to spend it. Because I bought this early in the spring once I got my loan. And of course, the money that I was earning, I wound up going ahead and paying my guys too. So that's it, fam. This total together, building the box was probably about, I ain't gonna even lie to you, the time and the energy, $1,500. Because it was trial and error on this thing. Trial and error. We took this thing down, I'm talking about 3 times to build it right. But at the end of the day, it's nicely done. Great sign on the side of this thing. It's gonna generate me some money on the long haul. But one of the things I wanna share with you though, if you're putting this thing on the back of your dump trailer, man, you're gonna have to get this thing reinforced because we having problems shutting this door. And I can see it moving some, so I'm gonna have to get my welder to come out and readjust this thing and put 2 more brackets on this thing to keep this thing from moving, because this doesn't look good for me in the long run. It should be able to hold up. But fam, this is the new addition to the Quick Cut Squad. Cut on lawn care family, cut on. I'm cutting out. Peace.